This is a collaboration that underscores the House of Today's commitment to nurturing Lebanon's design ecosystem and making it more inclusive.
So just explore, but also look outside, and you don't have to sort of know what you're doing. Your mistakes are usually what creates the solutions.
They are allowed to do whatever they want. You will see that in this presentation, it's kind of a diary of what happened.
It was still possible to find a way to create objects that are all sharing by giving a lot of boundaries and limits. They are all
within this discussion now we're still...
I don't think they should sit on it.
These 4 very intensive days that brought Baran from the Beirut up to the National Museum of Beirut.
Meaning that we could wave together from this side and from the other side.
One of the first things we found was this wisteria branch.